Ryan near the forest's boundary, his eyes catching the faint glow of a small blue stone nestled among the roots. Curiosity piqued. He picked it up, feeling a surge of energy thrumming through his veins. A gentle voice whispered,
"It's time. The forest is waiting for you."
Blue light trails began to dance among the trees, beckoning him deeper into the forest's embrace. Ryan felt the stone pulse in his hand, guiding him forward. The gate slowly creaked open, unveiling a world of breathtaking beauty. Trees shimmered with star-like leaves, rivers flowed with silver water, and the air was alive with the flutter of giant glowing butterflies. Luma, the glowing creature, greeted him warmly.
At last, the Chosen One has arrived.
Ryan stepped back in amazement.
"Who are you? Why am I here?"
Luma explained.
I'm Luma, guardian of the glowing forest. We need your help to save it from fading into darkness.
Ryan listened intently as Luma described the threat posed by the Guardian of Shadows.
"I'll help you, but where can I find this stone?"
Luma pointed to the distant Shadow Mountain.
It's a dangerous place. The shadows will try to deceive you. Be careful.
Ryan faced a shifting river, a garden of thorns, and other enchanted obstacles, but persevered with Luma lighting the way. The journey was long and treacherous, but his determination never wavered. Finally, they arrived at the entrance of the Cave of Shadows, where fierce winds howled ominously. A massive creature emerged, its eyes glowing, body cloaked in shadow. Guardian of Shadows. You will not take the stone. The forest must remain in darkness. Ryan, recalling the glowing stone, raised it high, unleashing a beam of light that pierced the darkness, vanquishing the creature. Ryan placed the energy stone onto the magical crystal, and the forest erupted in light, the creatures rejoicing.
You saved us. The glowing forest will remain forever.
Luma's gratitude was palpable as they celebrated. Ryan received a magical pendant from Luma, a token of his bravery, allowing him to return whenever he wished. Stepping out of the gateway, he found himself back at the village's edge, the pendant twinkling in his hand, a reminder that his adventure was far from over.